Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. It's unboxing time again and we have March's Glossybox. There we go. And I have already checked on the end of the box to see what variation I've got this month. The dispatch email said I was getting variation 4 and there we go. I don't know whether it's going to focus, but it is actually variation 4. So fingers crossed this month should be better than last month. Let's have a look. Let's open it up. Love that. And we are back to our standard pink box. Ooh, camera's having a bit of a doodah today. And let's have a look. Let's take the lid off. See what we've got. This looks like a proper one. Okay, and the edit this month is called All Eyes on Me. There's our card that tells us about all the products and what they're worth and etc. We've also got the sneak peek for April. Creepers. Okay, it's a gentle face exfoliant by Avant worth £92. Okay, I'm going to show you that. Whilst you pick yourselves up off the floor. It's a good job I'm already sat down. There we go. So I'll refer to that as we're going along. And let's see what we've got. Okay, alrighty. So we are going to start with the first product in the box, which is the it was the sneak peek from last month's box. It's the Ico London Black Magic Mascara. It's a deluxe mini size and it is worth £10. Now, I'm not going to open this because I already have one of these and I really like it for my bottom lashes. It's not so good for my top lashes, but the bottom lashes, it's amazing because of the shape of the wand. And this one I am going to put in to the other products in my 50 subscriber giveaway. If you've not seen that video, I will link it up here for you now. Go and check it out. I am doing my very first ever giveaway. So that is going in there, ladies and gentlemen, because I already have one. Item number 2. Okay, this is the Model Co Beauty Company. We've had 2 or 3 products from them now. And this is a lipstick. And it's a full-size product. It is in the shade Flawless. And it's a bullet lipstick and it's worth £15. Now the packaging's super. Really, really like the packaging. That's really nice. Okay, there we go. Let's have a look. There we go. Looks like quite a nice pinky, browny, nudie colour. Oh, it is quite pink actually, looking at it now. Okay, right, well, interested to try that out. The other 2 products we've had from this company I've not been overly impressed with, so third time lucky, I think. And the next product in the box is from Ciate London, Stamp and Drag. Create flawless winged liner looks with this double-ended stamp and liner duo. Oh, that's exciting. Look at that packaging, outer packaging. That's amazing. And there we go. So, ooh, this is exciting. And the RRP, again, this is a full-size product, and the RRP of this is £15. So, let's have a look. There's your inner packaging. Okay. Cool, that's a big, thick felt tippy liner. There we go. That's that end. Oh yeah, you can create, that's quite thick, that. And this end, what stamp have we got? Oh, it is actually for doing wings. It is a wing stamp. I'm not sure you can see that, but if I stamp it, yes it is. It's a wing stamp. So what you do, I'll have to use this in a video and show you. So what you do is you literally go to the corner of your eye, you stamp that on, and then you turn it round, get the other end, and then do your liner across. Dead easy way of doing wings if you're not fully confident in doing it. That I'm really pleased about. I'm chuffed to bits with that. I'm gonna have lots of fun trying that out, definitely. That's brilliant, I like that. That's a great product, that, love it. Next item in the box, Flippin Eck, this is huge. Okay, this has gotta be full size. Gotta be full size, yeah it is. It's 200 mils and it's by the company Cetraben and it's a daily cleansing cream. Okay, it's a 2-in-1 cleanser and moisturiser. Use it as a gentle face wash by massaging it into wet skin, then rinsing with warm water. Or use it as a moisturiser by massaging onto dry skin until it's fully absorbed. Okay, and this is worth $7.99. Alrighty. Suitable for children and adults, cleanses, moisturizes and soothes dry skin or eczema-prone skin. Ooh. Now that is really, really interesting. Right, I tell you what, it's got a seal on it. I'm not actually going to open it and trial it because I'm not far off finishing my daily facial wash that I have. I use the seaweed one from the Body Shop, so I'm going to leave that. When I've finished that one that I'm using at the moment, I am going to give this a go and I will use it both ways. I will use it as a cleanser and also as a moisturiser, and of course watch out for the update video because I will let you know how I get on with it. But that's a great product, it's really heavy as well. That's brilliant to have in the box, fantastic. And then the next one we've got is, okay, it's by Sleek, the Sleek makeup brand, and it's a highlighting palette. And this is in the shade Copper Plate. Now, I'm just going to show you, it's got the most beautiful outer packaging. It's a fingerprint magnet, unfortunately, but open it up and you've got a mirror. You can see there, whoops, try not to blind you with it. And I tell you what, I'm going to do it that way, oops. Now, you do get a little brush as well, which has just fallen out. There's your little brush to apply. And there's the shades. So yes, I'd say I've definitely got the darker of the two. Whether or not I'll be able to use those actually on my face as highlighters, we shall wait and see. I mean, certainly the lightest one here, that doesn't look too bad. Let's give that a bit of a swatch. Flipping it, yeah, look at that. Okay, this might not get used as a highlighter palette. This might end up getting used as a bit of a shimmer palette, eyeshadow palette. But nice to have. I've not actually received any Sleek makeup items yet. It says this palette is worth $9.99. I do know that Sleek are quite an affordable brand, and yeah, that's nice to have in there. We've definitely got a more makeup heavy box this month, which for me is brilliant. I appreciate that. Because I am more into my makeup than skincare potentially. But also what I'm finding is with the subscription boxes, when they've got a lot of skincare in, I'm not actually getting through it all, I'm not using it all. I've got quite a stash building up. So to get more makeup items, I'm really, really pleased about, to be perfectly honest. So let's just do a tot up. We've got the Sleek highlighting palette that's worth £10. We have the Ico London mascara, which is worth £10. We have so that's 20. We've got the Stamp and Liner Duo, that's worth 15. We've got the lipstick, that's also worth 15, so that's 30 plus 20, we've got 50. And then we've also got the cleanser stroke moisturiser worth £8. So we've got a box here that's worth £58. I pay $11.75 a month for my boxes because I do it on a 12-month pay monthly subscription. So the box is £8.50 plus your £3.25 postage and packaging. So for $11.75, and I've got £58 worth of products, I'm really pleased about that. I'm also pleased I've actually got a proper Glossybox this month. I think it's nicely curated. The fact that you've got the highlighting palette here, so again, use it as highlighter, use it as eyeshadow. You've got a mascara, you've got a liner, you've got a lipstick. You've got a 2-in-1 product here that you can use to cleanse and moisturise. That is a really nicely curated box in my opinion. But anyway, let me know your thoughts and feelings down in the comments section down below. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes to you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you decide to stick around and see some more of my content. If you would like to do that, press the subscribe button down here, or the icon with my face in it, which is going to appear here shortly. Turn your notifications on, that way you get notified every time I drop a video, which is about 3 to 4 times a week. I don't just do the unboxings, I do update videos for you after I've used the products for a couple of months. I do makeup looks. I've got some new content coming out shortly, so please join me for that. Thank you for watching, everybody. As always, enjoy the rest of your day, and I shall see you soon. Bye.